Yesterday I told about how to start and stop SAP S/4HANA Server 2023. How to start and stop SAP S/4HANA Server 2023 system. Now, in Windows operating system today, not S/4HANA, it is like SAP NetWeaver 7.5. So here, click VM and click Send Control plus Alt plus Delete. Before installation, you have only one account, that is administrator account only. After installation, you got your SID ADM account also. So here you want to log in SID ADM account. My SAP system ID is NWD. That's why I got NWD ADM account. Here we want to log in into the NWD ADM account by entering the master password. Please mute your side. So you want to wait 1 or 2 minutes. The services, everything it will be up. You want to wait 1 or 2 minutes. So here on desktop you have SAP Management Console is there. When installation time only, that SAP Management Console is created. Only in Windows operating system only. Only in Windows operating system only. After installing, only in Windows operating system only. After installing on desktop, you got this SAP Management Console. In Linux operating system, you did not found this SAP Management Console. Only in Windows operating system only. On desktop, this SAP Management Console is available. On installation time, it will be created. So this is the tool. This is the tool. SAP Management Console is the tool. What is the use of that SAP Management Console? Means by using that SAP Management Console only, you want to start, stop, and restart the SAP system is possible. So in Windows operating system only, that SAP Management Console is available to start, stop, and restart the SAP system. Why you want to start the SAP software means you want to log on to the SAP system. After starting the SAP software only, it is possible to log on to the SAP system. Without starting SAP software, logging into the operating system is not possible. So that's why compulsory you start the SAP software and log in into the SAP system. Double click SAP Management Console. Name is SAP Management Console. Double click and click yes. Now it is Now it is called as SAP MMC. MMC means Microsoft Management Console. Before it is called as SAP Management Console. After opening, it is called as SAP Microsoft Management Console. Now expand here. When you expand, how many systems is there? They show everything here. Expand. This is my system. This is error. Red mark means error. On the time you did not restart, leave like this or otherwise select refresh. This is the refresh button. So when they show like this, all the instances on that time only want to start. So here gray color symbol indicates it is in stop condition. That is the meaning of gray color. This is the database. Database instance. This is ACS instance. This is primary application server instance. Instance always show with computer name and instance number. Instances always show with computer name and instance number. For database, there is no instance number. So here in my system, I installed ACS instance and primary application server instance and database instance in single system. So here gray color is there. That means this instances is in stop condition. That is the meaning of gray color. Here by using this SAP MMC, by using this SAP Microsoft Management Console, you start the SAP system. Instance wide is possible, system wide is possible. Two ways is there to start the SAP system. One way is instance wide and another way is system wide. First, actually, you start the database. After starting database, you have ERS instance, means you want to start the ERS instance. After starting ERS instance, you want to start the ACS instance. After starting ACS instance, you want to start the primary application server instance. After starting primary application server instance, you want to start the additional application server instance. That is the rule. Suppose here another rule is there. Suppose here in my system, I have database instance and there is no ERS instance, ASCS instance is there and primary application server instance. Suppose additional application server instance is there, means that one also is available. Now, this three instances is available in single system. When the database instance and PAS instance are available in same host, you no need to start the database. Actually, as per rule, this is the rule. First, you start the database after ERS instance, after ASCS instance, after primary application server instance, after additional application server instance. But here, these three instances only. There is no ERS instance, there is no additional application server instance in my system. Now here, one rule is there. What is that rule? When you want to start the PAS instance, when you want to start the PAS instance, compulsory ASCS instance and database is running on that time only. PAS instance starting is possible. That means what here? You want to start the primary application server instance, means ASCS instance is running, database is running, on the time only PS starting is possible. That means here what you want to understand, before starting the primary application server instance, first you want to start the database and ASCS instance. After starting this, you want to start the primary application server instance. Not only primary application server instance, you want to start the additional application server instance also. Database is running. Then you want to start the primary application server instance and the additional application server instance. Database is running on the time only that instances starting is possible. So here an ASCS instance is there. Here, without starting database, you directly start ASCS instance, means it will be started. Without starting database, you directly start ASCS instance, means it will be started. Without starting the database, you directly start primary application server instance, it will not start. That means what here you want to understand. First you want to start the database, after ASCS instance, after primary application server instance. That is the rule. So here in my system, database is there, ASCS instance is there, primary application server instance is there. As per rule, first you want to start the database. But here one logic is there. What is that logic means? Here database and primary application server instance are available in single system. Database and primary application server instance are available in single system. When the database instance and primary application server instance are available in single host, same host means single system, you no need to start the database. That means here database and primary application server instance is available in single system. That means I no need to start the database. That means here I no need to start the database. Next, remaining what are the instances is there? ASCS instance is there, primary application server instance is there. In the two instances, first which instance I want to start? First you want to start the ASCS instance. Before starting ASCS instance, you want to know something. What is that means? Double click, this is my installation drive. Double click installation drive, USR, SAP, SID, and ASCS, EXE. This is kernel folder. ASCS instance kernel directory. After installation is completed, in your installation drive, you got USR folder. In that you got SAP folder. In that you got whatever SAP system ID you provided by that name, you got folder. In that ACS folder is there. ACS instance folder. In that exe folder means kernel folder. This is ACS instance kernel directory. This is ACS instance kernel directory. ACS instance kernel directory means folder in your language only. In exe folder, which files is available? Kernel files. First, you want to know that one. In exe folder, kernel files is available. So this is. Now we go to another folder. Primary application server instance folder. Here in primary application server instance also kernel folder is there. In PAS instance kernel folder. In primary application server instance also kernel folder is there. Next. Go back. USR SAP SID SYS EXE UC means unique code NTIDM 64. This is also kernel directory only. This location also. USR SAP SID SYS EXE unique code. This is also kernel, but global kernel directory. Global means system wide kernel folder. System wide main kernel files. This is every instance kernel files. Okay, now in this kernel files, you type here SAP CPE. SAP CPE is there. When you search in primary application server instance kernel directory, ACS instance kernel directory, that SAP CPE is available. SAP CPE. Now here you want to know what is the role of SAP CPE. That is the point, important point you want to know. So SAP CPE is one of the file, kernel file. SAP CPE is the part of kernel. Is the part of kernel. That means it is one of the file in kernel. And one more point, not only SAP CPE, you want to know another file also. What is that file name? Is SAP start SRV. Now, what is the role of SAP start SRV? What is the role of SAP CPE? You want to know. Now here, first of all, I already told what I told. Instance wide starting is possible. Now here, I want to start the ACS instance. So before starting ACS instance, I already told every instance kernel directory is there. Now I go to ACS instance exe folder. I'm deleting all kernel files. Now I deleted all the kernel files. Only these files here SAP start SRV is there. Only these files, remaining all files I deleted. Remaining all files are deleted in ACS instance kernel directory. Now I'm starting this ACS instance. Gray color is there. Gray color. What is the meaning of gray color? Gray color means stop. That is the meaning. Now how to start? Select, right click, directly you click start here, or otherwise alt task start also. Directly click start. Here I logged in SID ADM account. When you logged in SID ADM account, there you enter master password. When you logged in administrator account, here you enter the administrator password. Here, master password. I am entering. Enter. Here refresh I am clicking. Yellow. Here you saw SAP CPE executable copy. Yellow here now. Executable copy SAP CPE yellow. Now 3 are running. In ACS instance, what is available? First of all, you want to know in ACS instance, message server. Please mute your side, otherwise you leave the section. NQ server, message server, NQ server is available. But nowadays, when installing time, SAP Gateway and SAP Web Dispatcher options is there. You select that one, means anything, means that also is available. In installation time, I selected Web Dispatcher. That's why here Web Dispatcher is there. Okay, this is called as components. Now here, when I start the ACS instance, yellow is there. They're telling SAP CP executable copy. So what is SAP CP is doing? I already told what is SAP CP. It is one of the file in kernel. SAP CP is one of the file in kernel. When starting ACS instance, what they're doing, executable copy, what they're doing means, so here, now if we go to, here you saw installation drive, USR, SAP, SID, ACS, EXE. Here files is there. Before starting the ACS instance, I deleted this all files, but now files is there. How we get that files means, when you start the ACS instance, in backend, the SAP CP copy kernel files from this main location, from this main kernel directory to this ACS instance kernel directory. Who do? SAP CP. Actually, what is the role of SAP CP? They want to check. What they want to check? Whatever kernel files is available in global directory, same files is available in ACS instance kernel directory or not. They want to check. But they want to check every file, means it will be take time like that. They will be headache. That's why what they do, when you start the ACS instance, SAP CP copy this kernel global directory files to ACS instance kernel directory. After copying, what will be happen? Whatever files here is available, same files is available here. After SAP CP copy is completed, this is the role in backend. After SAP CP copy is completed, SAP start SRV, start this message server, NQ server, and suppose Web Dispatcher is there, means Web Dispatcher, gateway is there, means gateway. SAP start SRV also is one of the file in kernel. SAP start SRV also is one of the file in kernel. That is the role. Now here, ACS instance is started. Green color symbol indicates started. That is the meaning. Now, primary application server instance. ACS instance will be start fastly. Now, primary application server instance, we want to start. Before starting primary application server instance, same, I deleted all the kernel files in primary application server instance. Now, in primary application server instance, I deleted all the kernel files. Now we want to start the primary application server instance. Right click, start. Already you provided password. That's why now no need to provide password. Here SAP CP once again executable copy. SAP CP is copying. What the copying kernel files is copying. This is refresh button. Now after SAP CP copy is completed, dispatcher IGS watchdog is running. Now here status new. Here start no. All the work process start condition here no. All the status new. Now here IGS watchdog is running. Dispatcher also is running, but status only they showing like that. Server startup procedure running. Gateway, all are running. Now here work process all are wait. Before it is all are new. Here start condition all are new. Now here all are as. Here all the status wait means it will be started. Now here green color. So that means here enter green color. That means your SAP system is started. Now you log in into the SAP system is possible. Who do this start and stop in company? SAP basis administrator only. That's why compulsory SAP basis administrator, they want to know how to start, stop and restart the SAP system. Now, work process is available in primary application server instance only. Work process is not available in ACS instance and ERS instance. Why work process is not available in ACS instance and ERS instance means because ACS instance and ERS instance is not a application server instance. Work process is available inside application server instance only. That's why in ACS instance and ERS instance, work process is not available. Work process is available inside primary application server instance and additional application server instance only, because the two instances only application server instances. Now start is completed. Instances by starting is completed. Now you want to stop. Now you want to stop means reverse order. You want to stop the SAP system means reverse order. Reverse order means first which one you start ACS instance, after which one you start primary application server instance. Here I did not start database. By primary application server instance and database is in single system. On that time, you no need to start database. When you start primary application server instance, database also is started. That means here, you no need to separately start the database. Here, our database is not HANA database. Okay, our database is not HANA database. Here, database and primary application server instance is available in single system. On that time, you no need to separately start the database. When you start the primary application server instance, database is started. That is the meaning. Your database is not SAP HANA database. Then PAS and database are installed on same host. On that time, you no need to start the database separately. When you start the PS instance, the database is started automatically. When you start the primary application server instance, first database will be started. After starting database, primary application server instance is started. So that's why here I did not start database separately. Why means when I start primary application server instance, database also is started. That is the meaning. Now stopping reverse order. First, which one you start? ACS instance. Next, primary application server instance. Here reverse order. First, you want to stop the primary application server instance. After ACS instance. Now we want to stop the SAP system instance wide. Select, right click, stop. Here, stop two types is there. Do you want to stop your instance? Two types is there. One is hard, another one is soft. Hard means when you select hard, by default hard only it will be selected. When you select hard, here only answer is there. Immediately stop the SAP instance. Suppose your users are logging, they're doing their work. I suddenly stop the instance. I selected hard means your users are logging, they're doing their work also, system will be stopped. That is the meaning of hard. Immediately they stop the SAP system. That is the meaning of hard. When you select stop, timeout is there. You set particular date, particular timeout. Suppose here now 7:40 today, 7:40 p.m. the system will be stopped. Like that I set the date and time means so up to 7:40 your users login they're doing no problem. Before 7:40 they want to all of the log out. Whatever work is there, they want to quit everything, they want to log out. Suppose after 7:40 time is completed, this soft will be changed as hard and stop the system immediately. Here click OK. Now I selected hard to stop the primary application server instance. Here all down. No. Here all no, all down. Here ICM IGS watchdog is stop. Dispatcher also stop, but they change the status lastly like this. Now green to yellow, yellow to gray. It is stop. Now we want to stop the ACS instance. Right click, stop. Once again click OK. Okay, message server is running. This too is stop. It is stopped. Finally, after stopping the SAP system by using this SAP MMC, you want to close. Click close. When you get this pop-up, always here click no. So by using SAP MMC, you want now what you understand by using SAP MMC, you start and stop the SAP system instances wide is possible. That's you understand. Now system wide also. System wide means double click SAP management console, click as Maximize, expand, error on the time you did not start. Here they did not show my all instances. Database they are not showing here. On the time you did not start. Like this here, like this now they show all. Like this they show clearly on the time only you want to start. System wide start means simply select, right click, directly click start or otherwise all tasks start. Here start to time period 300 seconds is there. You increase also like 500 seconds. Like that you increase and decrease also. What is that means? Without 300 seconds means 5 minutes. Here clearly is there. How long to wait for an instance to start? How much time I want to wait to start the instance? I instance start avdaniki nenu enta sepu wait cheyali. For example, I said 5 minutes. Suppose in 5 minutes ACS instance is not started means it will not start. That is the meaning. If the timeout period is reached, the remaining SAP instance are not started. A time ayalapala a instance ane start avvaladu ACS instance ante primary application server instance start avadu. Okay, now click OK. Enter master password. SID my login no, that's why enter master password and click OK. Now you want to wait. It will be gray to yellow, yellow to green. You want to wait. Still it is starting. Started. So this is the way system wide you want to start me start. Restart system wide. Suppose I change the parameter value on the time we want to restart like that. Due to some reasons time, we want to restart the SAP system. Basis administrator only want to restart the SAP system. How to restart? Select system, right click. Directly you click restart here or otherwise alt task restart. Same 300 seconds, 5 minutes. Okay. Restart means it will go down and up. That is the meaning of restart. Okay, it is started. Now stop the SAP system. System byte means simply right click, alt task, stop, and click OK. It is stop. After stopping, you close this one and always click no here. Always whenever you got this pop-up, simply click no. So this is the way by using SAP Microsoft Management Console, you start and stop the SAP system instances wide and system wide. By using SAP MMC, you start the database and stop the database is not possible. You start and stop the database is not possible. So this is one way. In golden days, start SAP, stop SAP command is there. So that is the command by using command prompt. By using command prompt, start SAP. Start SAP space name is equal to SID, SAP system ID, space NR is equal to first which instance we want to start, ASCS instance. Space SAP dia host. You enter SAP dia host in caps letters or small letters, no problem. Computer name. Here, by using the start SAP command, instances wide only is possible. For example, in your company, you have one, there is no ASCS instance. You have central instance means, central instance means only one instance is there. Directly you start the SAP system is possible by using this command. But nowadays, you have ASCS instance and primary application server instance are mandatory instances. By using this start SAP command, you start the database is not possible. So here instances wide only. By using the start SAP command, system wide starting and stopping is not possible. Instances wide only, starting and stopping is possible. As per rule in my system, ASCS instance, primary application server instance. In these two instances, database instance is there. Already you know, when you start primary application server instance, database is started. That's why now here in ASCS instance, in primary application server instance, first you start the ASCS instance. This is the command. Start SAP space name is equal to SAP system ID space NR is equal to instance number space SAP dia host is equal to computer name, enter. It is start. Next, you want to start the primary application server instance. Same command, just you change the instance number. Primary application server instance number is 11. Remaining command, everything is same. Enter. ACS instance will be started fastly. Primary application server instance will take time to start. We want to wait. By using this start SAP, stop SAP command, restart is not possible. Only you start and stop the SAP system, instances wide is possible. But SAP, they're telling this is deprecated, outdated. They're telling you did not use this one like that. It is started. Now stop means same. All first which instance in this, first which instance we want to stop. So this is one primary application server instance because it is started last. So which instance you started last? First you want to stop that instance. Okay. Now same command only, but stop SAP space name is equal to SAP system ID space NR is equal to primary application server instance number. Now here you saw I am entering small letters. SAP host I am entering small letters. That's only I am telling. You enter small letter or caps letters, no problem. Computer name, that is BH call NWDCI means computer name. Enter. It is stop. Now same command to stop the primary application server instance, just to change the instance number 10. Enter. Start SAP, stop SAP. It is a command line tool. It is called as command line tool. By using command prompt, you start and stop the SAP system. It is completed. So by using SAP MMC, by using start SAP, stop SAP command, starting and stopping database is not possible. Now another one also is there. Another tool also is there. What is that tool? This is the command is there. Please mute your side. http:// okay, computer name. This is the computer name and colon 5, this one. PH call NWDCI dot dummy dot no domain. Okay, next colon 5. Here in $$ place, you want to mention your primary application server instance number 511. My primary application server instance number is 11 51113. Enter. Okay. Start SAP management console. When you click here, it will not start. Why means here, if this you first time starting SAP management console through the website, please start the widget and perform a necessary step. First time you want to start the SAP management console means you start this widget and follow the steps they tell you. Click here. Here, click start. Start the widget. Get download this one. SAP Management Console, SAP MC. Download this one. Keep. It is downloaded. Still, it is downloading. Okay, click next. Provide location where that file is there. Still, it is downloading. We want to provide that location. It is downloaded. Okay, this is the location I want to provide. Provide that location here and click next. Same where you install Java, JARE. Before you install Java or not in the system, you want to check. Program files, I already installed Java, JARE. Okay, what the location they ask here? See program files, Java, JARE, bin. JARE, bin. This folder they asking. This location. And click next. Once again, download this one. This is starting script of Windows. Click here and keep and download that one. And click next. Okay, same location. Click next. Now download this console registry, SAP Management Console registry file. Click download. It's not taken. Yeah, click keep. It is downloaded. Now click next, next, and click finish. Now close this one and go to that location. Downloads. Okay, here you want to create now. This create button, add new instance. Click here. Get instance number and instance computer name. Instance number, for example, 11, primary application server instance number, and computer name is thcall nwdci dot dummy dot no domain. Ping, when you ping, it will be ping successful means okay. Okay, and click finish. Now here system is added, still it is in red color. Expand, you want to wait, still it is adding. That's why it is showing red color. It is added. So by default, database is started green color. This is SAP Management Console. This is called as SAP Management Console. By using this SAP Management Console, you start and stop this database is possible. Here already database is started. As per rule, you want to start the primary ACS instance. As per rule, you want to start the ACS instance. It is in gray color. It is not started. System wide means select ACS instance. They're telling status stop condition. In your ACS instance, NQ server is there, message server is there, web dispatcher is there, ACS 10. This is your computer name. Status stop. Instance wide means right click, start, master password. And click login. You want to wait. Okay, message server is started, web dispatcher is started, still NQ server is starting. NQ server here, triangle color, yellow color. This two is started, green color. Lastly, NQ server will be started, running but not responding means it is started. Click refresh here means it shows started, refresh. Running. Started. Now we want to start the primary application server instance. Same. Dispatcher, gateway, internet communication manager, ICM. D11, this is the computer name. It is in stop condition. Right click, start. One time only you want to enter passwords. Second time, no need to enter the master password. So here you saw, IGS watchdog is started. Dispatcher is started, but status they did not show like that. Gateway, ICM. Now here you saw, ICM is running. ICM is running. Dispatcher also is running. Work process also they show. Still it is running. It is running. Running. So instances by stop means first you want to stop the primary application server instance. After ACS instance, you want to stop. So select primary application server instance, right click, stop. Hard or soft. Click OK. Now you want to stop the ACS instance. Select right click, stop, and click OK. Hard shutdown. It is stop. Now you want to stop database also. So database. You want to stop database also. Right click, stop. Okay, it is stop. So you want to start database means same process. Right click, start, like that. You want to wait. Only this SAP management console only is possible to start and stop the database. SAP MMC start SAP stop SAP command by using that one. Starting and stopping database is not possible. Only this SAP management console only is possible to start and stop the database. It is started. Now close. Okay, once again double click this one. Error. Red mark. You want to wait. Okay, now system wide start and stop, not particular instance. System wide start and stop means select right click, start timeout 300 seconds. Okay, master password, final underscore 1234 and click login. Database ABAP MS SQL server is running. Database is running. Remaining instances is in stop condition. Now ACS instance is running. Now running. System wide. System wide stop means right click, stop, Okay. Hard shutdown. Okay, it is stop. Now close. Okay, this is one of the thing. This is about start and stop in Windows operating system.